Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent. Respectable sir, respectable teacher, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my speech is my mother. I will go to paradise by telling this to angel that I am searching the good signs of my mother. Dear friends, actually the name mother is of sacrifice, love and affection, feeling and peace. There are no words to explain the goodness of my mother. If you start writing from morning to evening, even then it is hard to tell the depth and width my mother. Love and affection. I again want to say that I cherish my mother as a sense of fragrant flower. Almighty Allah Ta'ala keep safe to our mother. Pray to Almighty for this. May Allah fulfill our wish. At last, I say that I feel very alone without mom. So, home is not home without mom. No, I want some mama.